Hello guys, I hope you're having a great time. We're in Tashkent and I'm standing at the entrance of the Choyxona minimalistic style restaurant. Don't you think that I look a little bit different? 1 minute. Oh, authentic look. So now we can start. Let's go. The Choyxona started operating in May 2022. Operating hours from 12 p.m. to 1 a.m. It has 13 rooms that can fit 185 people in. 10 chefs, more than 70 types of delicious food available in this restaurant. The Choyxona welcomes you. Hey guys, what are you doing? We're here to talk about the restaurant. Come on man, don't bother. There are dozens of food available in this restaurant. The mix of Uzbek cuisine and European make the menu abundant. But today we're gonna talk about only one food, the qurtoba. Let's get into the kitchen. Oh, look at this! Even Einstein is wearing dupe! Are you ready to listen? Let's go! Bismillah. I tickled your appetite, right? Yes! Now, let me talk about the food. This beautiful thing on this big plate is called qurtoba. Qurtoba consists of bread, layered bread, which we call patar. On top of the patar, there is churning yogurt, and on top of churning yogurt, there is salad, which tomato, cucumber, and chili pepper. I would like to say many thanks to organizers of this restaurant, the Choyxona. Do yourself a favor to visit this lovely restaurant. The service, the staff, and chef are unmatched. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. If you like the content that we're making, go to our YouTube channel for more videos. This is your Sam Food Guide. Khair.